Hello all, welcome to a new video. In this video we are going to explore majorly used text functions in Microsoft Excel, that is left, right, mid, length and find. So as the name suggests, left function is used to extract the values from the left side of the cell and a right function used to extract the values from the right side of the cell and middle function used to extract the values from the middle position of the cell. Length helps us to calculate the number of characters present in a cell. Find helps to find the position of the subtext present in a value. I hope it sounds little brief and vague for you. See how to use this in the Excel sheet so that it will be more clearer for you. Let's move on to the Excel. So in this data we have a list of vehicle numbers that is followed in India. Alright. As you know very well, in every vehicle number the first two characters symbolize the state it belongs and the next two character it symbolize the RTO office and next character it symbolize what is the kind of vehicle it is. Say it belongs to an individual or it belongs to government. In case if you have G in mid of this two numbers, it symbolizes that it belongs to government. Last four digits are random number which particularly belongs to that vehicle. So here we have an exercise to extract the state and particular number of that vehicle from the vehicle number detail present here. Alright. So in order to get the state, we need to extract two values from left hand side of this value, and in order to extract the particular number we need to extract four characters from right hand side of this value. So now let's proceed with the functions. I'm just extracting in this text. I'm extracting two characters. All right. Now you got the result, that is AP. This vehicle belongs to AP. Now I'm just flashing it out. So all the corresponding values will be published here, right? Same way we are exercising right function in order to get the four digits from the right hand side of this cell. All right. See, now we have gotten. So it has extracted the last four digits of this value. Now I am publishing. So now I hope you are clear what the function left and right does in order to extract the value. Now we need to extract this middle number RU. How to extract that? For that, let's understand the concept mid better. Using this sample vehicle number. So now the activity is we need to take this middle text. All right, this JD we need to text. For that, first I need to position all the characters one by one. Okay, so here the first position goes to K, second to A, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the starting of this JD is present at the seventh position. From seventh position, we need to take two characters, isn't it? See, 1 and 2. And when we explore these two characters from the seventh position, it will help us in extracting this value JD. Alright, now let's go and exercise the same in Excel in order to get the result. As discussed, now let me explore this mid function in order to get the middle value. Alright, so in mid, first I need to select the text. I did, and I need to mention the start number from there how many characters I need to extract. So the start number is 7, right? And then I need two characters from the seventh position. Now let me close it. See, this helped me to extract the middle value easily. All right. Now let me flash it out so it will be applicable for the other values as well. I hope you are clear with this. Now let's understand how to use the length function in order to calculate how many number of characters present in. It's very simple. I'm just typing LEN. This is the formula to extract the number of characters, and I need to choose the corresponding text. And now I'm choosing this text. All right, and then I'm closing it. All right. See, now if you see, it contains 13 and I'm just flashing it out to check everywhere. See, now it contains 13 characters all along. All right. So this forms a uniform pattern that is evaluated using this function. I hope you are clear with length function as well. In the provided list of values, we could see one common name across all, that is Samsung. So if you see first, it mentions a Samsung Galaxy Note 3, and here Samsung is present somewhere after a very long characters, and here it starts at the first, and here it is presenting somewhere. Okay, so basically we need to find whether Samsung is present here or not. If yes, where it is present. Okay, I mean, what is the position of the Samsung in particular character? All right, now we are going to use find or search in order to find the position of Samsung in the corresponding value. All right, now let me use find. See, the first one is what text you want to find. Okay, I need to find the text Samsung, which I mentioned here, or else you can mention it in double quotes. All right, next is within text is this. All right, next is from where you need to start. I want to start from the first character and then I'm closing it. See, now it says it is present in the first character. It's now let me flash it out the value across all. See, it says the second value Samsung is present at the 45th position, and here if you see Samsung is present at the 33rd position. All right, but everywhere it is present. Say for example, now let me type something. Now if you see I've typed Apple here, here the value is not present. All right, that's why it is showing value error. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this is useful for you. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.